Food truck, food truck, food truck, food truck.
Oh, baby, there's food over there.
We have a food truck.
Okay, Mama, I'm coming.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well.
As you can see, I have a daughter, and my daughter wants ice cream and French fries.
Ice cream. Okay. We have a blue ice. We have blue raspberry, the chocolate one. We don't have chocolate anymore. Everybody took them. So let me just get that.
Okay. Is this for free?
No.
Okay, I'll pay you.
So this is what we have.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the money. I got $200.
Keep it make the bill.
I'm back.
Okay, so your ice cream, the total will be $2.35.
Okay. Can you take $2 out of this 100?
Yes. Okay, here your change.
Thank you.
We also got donuts. If you like donuts, we could give you donuts on the clearance rack. They're over here, donuts. And we got chocolate for the clearance.
Okay. I have a whole family, so I'm gonna just buy some 2 chickens, some French fries. That's my daughter wanted.
Okay. So do you want like a full